Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove colors from your palette in the Dress to Impress game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to click on this menu and select one of the items. I'm going to choose, for example, this one. Okay, and maybe your palette is full of colors and you want to remove it. If you want to do that, you can go to the palette menu and you're going to click on this brush icon. Then you're going to select the colors that you want to remove. Okay, let's try it one more time. Go to the wheel first and click on this brush, and then you're going to click on the X button like this, and the color will be removed from the palette. Okay, let's do this one more time. Click on this icon, select one of your items, and go to the wheel and click on this icon until you see the X button and select the color that you want to remove like this. Okay guys, and that's how you can remove colors from the color palette in the Dress to Impress game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!